Is this thing gonna break? Oh no. Alrighty. I blame Azul for me being late today, guys. It's Azul's fault. Azul. Alrighty, okay. I mean, it's always your fault, Azul. Always. Always. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, Mohammed, it is, isn't it? Ayo, good morning. AK, good morning. Archer, good morning. No one believes you, slacker. Good morning, Archer. Mac, good morning. D, good morning. Seven, good morning. Monty, good morning. Azu, good morning. Good morning, Lizzie. Yi, good morning. Good morning, Luna. Patricia, good morning. Jay, good morning. Jericho, stay green, not greedy, please. Good morning. Jay, good morning. Good morning, everybody. So, we're kind of watching this one closely to see if we can break 50 cents, right? This GRYP. So here we are approaching that 50 cent level. Yeah, the spread is a bit sus, but a little bit on the soft side. But let's see what happens here already. Yeah, I kind of don't like how, the bid is at 47 something and then the ask is above, like pushing for 49. Might be a good thing when it runs though. Kind of catching up. Good morning, Jeff. Hello, hello. 1 second. Onions, good morning. Rita, good morning. Ayo, Dan, Raz, good morning. 47.21. Okay, you got in a bit late on that. And then Rita got in at 60 cents. How did you get in at 60 cents, Rita? Why? Why? Why you do that? Can we just break out already? We need Dan monies. We need Dan's monies. Anyways, happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you had a good day off. And just remember that it's Friday and today kind of seems a bit sus. We have a lot of names that they're running, but you can't really hold on to them too long. Late as always. That's okay. Hopefully in this case it's okay. It does need to break out though. But we'll see. Anyways, I know we're just kind of paying attention to this one because we're in it, but yeah, everything else looks a bit sus except for XHG, which is up another 100% today. So that thing is breaking brand new highs of the day. Right? There it goes. That thing said, "Let me cook." Yeah, we were talking about that on Friday on stream, right? As off that $3 level. So, yup. So that $3 level was beautiful, very beautiful, right? So we're clearly failing at resistance there, right below 50 cents in the 50 EMA, which is not a major surprise, honestly, because that line was initially support. So at some point, it needs to break above that 50 cents if it wants to run. GRYP. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's see. La. Oh yeah, D. I see. Yeah. Yeah, that thing is looking good though. The one that's looking good into the open for now is XHG, which was really the main play coming into the open, just because it had so much volume and it is the top gainer, right? Anybody holding onto this one? XHG? Anybody? Good morning, Sean Genesis. Good morning. 46. Okay. Christopher, good morning. Greg, good morning. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like nice and early on, guys. You're sick with the fever, Archer? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it kind of seems like something's going around. Everybody's getting sick now. Everybody. Just just rest, Archer, and feel better soon, please. Get well soon, please, and thank you. Yeah, it looks like GRYP is coming back to retest that demand zone. So as long as it stays above 40, I'm okay with it. And then XHG is looking good. La 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 la. Yeah, I need to pull up FUBO. FUBO. I wanted to go through this list on stream, but maybe this is more of a weekend thing, honestly. Right? It's always nice to go over like the lowest float stocks with you guys sometimes on stream. Because if you think about it, most of the names that we talk about come from this list. Uh, Not sure what this is actually. BBGI. Haven't looked at that one. Maybe something to look at. What I usually look for though is names that have the super low floats, but they've also ran in the past to see if they're consolidating at a base, right? See, all of these names are for the most part like garbage stocks, right? You just want to look really quickly to see if there's anything that is like B or S, right? Kaizen ran, a rep ran that on Friday, Sines, right, ran on Friday. This one ran at some point. Uh, SGD made a little move on Friday. CJET, it's been a while since we looked at CJET actually. Wheeler looks interesting, doesn't it? Right? Yeah. Kaizen looks good. Okay, I'll take a look. NUKK, we've talked about this one. My size is funny enough. It's running this. It moved a bit this morning, right? Uh, KTTA has done some stuff in the past. Sonoma at some point always runs SNOA. So it's always nice to, always nice to go through this list. Um, I always like to look at just the first two pages, and then just move on. See if there's a hidden gem somewhere that we can find. But and then same thing with like the split list, right? These names are usually a bit more on the sus side, though. Unless there's a theme in the market, I don't really look at this list too often. But yeah, like the recent splits, because you never know, right? So it looks like we're kind of failing at 205 for now for XHG. So we shall see. And then GRYP still holding that 200 or holding that 40 cent area. Um, Again, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let me pull up Fubo here, because Fubo's been Fubo, and then the S&P is getting slapped this morning because those numbers came out and nobody liked them. So nice little run for Fubo though. Nice run. It just looks like we're stalling at 580 for now. Wasn't 580 the same resistance? No, I don't think so. It was $6, I think. But anyways, that's your resistance at the open here. Yeah, CDT should be somewhere up here as well. There it is on the left hand side. So CDT again, you can kind of see that it's consolidating, right, Greg? Above the 200 EMA, creating a nice little demand zone there above like 1070. So as long as CDT stays above 1070, it should be okay. Alrighty, so we're holding that 200 EMA, and it's also building a bit of support at the 200 at the in the demand zone. So right there, it's holding that range. ZVSA kind of looks the same, but yeah. Okay, let me pull up Bear. Yes, surpass estimated GT. Okay, interesting. Yeah, Bear with a really nice curl here. So BAER, right? Really nice curl on this one. The market's just opened, so bring on the violence, please. Bring on the violence. Right? It would be nice if GRYP gave us a nice pop, but that thing is slacking, just sitting there. Should be no. Kelvin, what do you mean? You'd have to be specific though with the stock. It really depends. It really depends. Everything that we're looking at is either testing resistance or just slacking, right? So DTIL is testing resistance up there at $7.30. So I would be a little bit cautious with that range. XHG, again, that thing needs to break above that 205 and stay above it. Alrighty. But again, coming into the open, probably the top name, this one. So if you got into this thing, congratulations. Congratulations. There it goes. 221. Looking good. Looking very, very good. 23. Again, it's Friday, guys. If you're not sure what to do, just sit back and relax a bit. It's Friday, right? Let the markets play the games and then go from there, right? Look at detail, right? DTIL tested resistance $7.30, like we mentioned, slapped right back to 650, right? Maybe again, the closer we get to 650, the more support it has, right? So, but you want to be cautious, please. FUBO with a nice pop there. Nice little pop for FUBO. But FUBO again has been a swing play for most of you guys for a bit now, so not a whole lot to say about that. GRYP, that thing said, excuse me, we're gonna come back and retest 40 cents. That thing really needs to find a way to consolidate. And this is the problem with like pre-market to market open is, again, you can find really good levels in pre-market, but when you get to the open, there's so much volume that the levels change, right? So for now, let's hope it can stay above 40 cents and then go from there. Ready? I think needs to start behaving like a normal stock, not like AMC, not like AMC. Okay, let's see. La 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 220. And then detail is coming back up. So again, to the bottom of the demand zone, closer to 650 for detail, and then all the way back to the same supply again. So it's gonna need to make a decision. It's gonna need to make a decision here for anybody that's holding. It needs to break out, is what it needs to do. And if it can, then cool. Send it above that supply zone. Just trying though. And then same thing with XHG here. That thing is looking good. Rita, yeah, it's holding 40 cents though. So let's see if your heart dropped with it. I know. Yep. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, detail looks like it wants to break out, but it's still failing at that same resistance there. Doesn't help that the spread is 10 cents, but yeah, you can tell it's trying to break above that $7.30. And then GRYP here is trying to hold 40 cents. Here comes 43 again. FUBO, resistance at $6. Not a major surprise there. Bear, pop, and dipskis. Again, be patient with the market opens, please. Be patient. Because they can enter you. Entered. Detail looks like it's gonna break out though. Let NVDA just crash. Why? Why are we crashing NVIDIA? Okay, let's see. Is there anything else here that we like? Oof. Okay, let's see. Okay. 31s. I'm just looking at some of these names here to see if okay, perfect. And there goes the seller for XHG here. Good morning, Richard. Good morning. Good morning. Is it giving you vibes? Yeah. Needs to break out though. That's the only downside. So maybe on this retest, if we can retest and stay above $1.50, that would be perfect. Then give us that 200% run, cooling of the yeah, exactly. One second. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Uh, there we go. I just have to perfect. What happened with that one? Yeah, that one was the split on Friday, right? On Wednesday. That thing's down 40% now. Yeah, when these things split, you don't want to be touching them because they can really destroy your account. So when they split, you leave them alone until they really consolidate at some point. Actually, that split happened this morning, and then they're slapping it. Yeah, these things you never want to hold into the split, or you never want to like just leave it alone. GRYP is still finding is still trying to stay above, right? Trying to stay above. So let's see if we can. Let's see. There you go. HOTH is looking nasty. Yeah. Come on, give us the curl already, something. So this to me looks like a retest for XHG. So if we can stay above that, that'd be nice, right? So if we can stay above that and get above $2, perfect. For now, though, it's still not quite sure what it wants to do. DTIL again, obviously failed that resistance. ZVSA hasn't really giving us anything today. Same thing with CDT, right? The last hope here maybe for CDT is like just make sure it stays above 10 cents. If not, then you have a problem. But again, today really has that Friday vibes where everything is kind of sus, right? The only thing that might be hopeful here is XHG. If that thing can break back above that $2 and reclaim that 9 EMA, good, right? So other than that, though, everything still kind of looks a bit sus. Ayo, Grim, good morning. Like everything looks sus. Everything. Na. It's holding $1.80 for now, XHG. So I like that spot, right? If it doesn't hold that level, then your next spot is closer to $1.50. So um I don't mind it holding $1.80 here. If we can, perfect. If not, then you're looking for $1.50-ish. Yeah, AMD looks like absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. Uh Absolute garbage. Come on, XHG. Give us a bouncy bounce. Come on. Come on. One of these two names needs to give us a bounce, right? XHG or GRYP. This one's still holding that 40 cents, which is good. It actually hit 40 cents exactly and then went back to 43 cents. So that's good, right? And then this one's just kind of sitting here looking in the face. Come on. What is it gonna do? Are we gonna curl here? It's really trying to consolidate. So I like that 180 spot, but there's no buying pressure coming to the upside. So if that doesn't come soon, I think we're gonna sell off. But come on. Wednesday, 58 cents, random stuff, monies. Come on, give us the bounce already, UXHG rubbish. Um, yeah, long term stuff, especially if you're just dollar cost averaging, you should be good. Then you should be good. Here we go, 194, guys. Go. Yeah, I will in a second. I want to see where this candle closes. Yeah, there it goes, right? So it's having a hard time closing above that 9. A hard time closing above Z9. So if it's not going to do that, then yeah, we go back to $1.50, which here comes. Here comes $1.50. Well, I mean, since we're not really doing anything there, let me take a look. HOTH. No, 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 no. Is this is something you're interested in, Yi? Kind of looks good, doesn't it? I think the only levels you're concerned about for now are the levels right between 120 and 220 and 225. Just because that's the same level it's been failing at since Friday. So between since Wednesday after hours and this morning pre-market. So, but it does look good though. You're in already? Okay, then that's an easy position to manage. Because then if I was in that same position, I would just watch it for now. And if we're stalling between like 120, 220, 225, then I would close it. If not, then just leave it. Then just leave it. Yeah. Today really does seem like a bit of a sus day. So here comes a retest of that demand zone for XHG. So let's see if we stay above this demand. If it doesn't, then we really have a problem. Then we have a problem with this one. So this is the level again above $1.50. You want it to consolidate. If this is something you're interested in, though, I would give it a second to see if it actually consolidates. And if it doesn't, just leave it alone. Let it come all the way to $1.25. Right. So, but you would hope that it starts to consolidate off that level. And then GRYP, right? It's still playing games, but it's still holding that 40 cents. So maybe this is our last hope. Maybe we need grim monies on that one, you know. Uh, okay, let's see. There we go, 44 cents. Come on now, go 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 go! Give us hope, grim. Like that's what we need. We need grim monies. Grim monies. Yeah. For some reason, what's the float in this thing? Because it moves like, I mean, it has 28 million shares, but that's not horrible. It moves like a micro penny, like a stock that has 100 million shares. Anyways, that thing is trying to break above that 225. So there's your main test, and then XHG here. Maybe we can start thinking of like a scalpy to the upside if we consolidate above $1.50. Righty. But I would give that thing another candle here to see we hold. And if we do, then maybe we can start thinking of balancing here. Detail, nothing. CDT is holding 10 cents actually, Chris. I think it was you asking, right? So holding 10 cents. Um Meh. VMAR, VMAR. VMAR. Okay. Anything else here that we like? Yeah, not bad at all, IE. Not bad at all. Uh Perfect. Okay, there you go. There goes your breakout E. Nice little breakout. Like I said again, since you got in so nicely, right? The way you manage that trade is so much easier because you're in already at a good price. So then you just watch it to see if it breaks out, and if it does, then you just you can take monies on the way up or keep it. Okay. Good morning, Sly. Hello. Okay. KITT. Do, do, do. Okay, perfect. You sold, okay, good, 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 good. Uh, in 15 minutes? Why so specific? Again, I like the level that it's trying to consolidate at. Why so specific though? Why 15 minutes? Agree. Oh, 1 second, guys. I just need to put a stop loss on. There you go. Manifesting. Oh yeah, that's why 15 minutes. Yeah, looks like GRP YP is being disappointing here. Again, it's still holding 40 cents, but this is why sometimes again when a stock breaks below that 200, it becomes a problem because that line is going to be your biggest resistance. So that's a bit on the annoying side now. Let me pull up the S&P really quickly here because I don't think we've really looked at that. Grim, are you still holding YCBD? Is that still a swing for you? I don't get the hype behind that name, honestly. I thought they were getting delisted, something like that, right? So, Spy looks like it's hmm, looks like uh, looks like violence is coming. That's what it looks like. Super super weak. Yeah, out of it, Grim. Okay. Yeah, I just wasn't sure why there was a lot of hype in that thing. 'Cause it doesn't seem to have a lot of volume, and it's a micro penny stock. I just had way too much hype for some reason. Anyways, moving on. Are we finally consolidating here to bounce? Come on, XHG. Something just needs to go. Something just needs to go. Uh it should be. It's not always the case though. Uh Mohammed, yeah. So as long as it stays above that 40 cents, and then you should be okay. Because of la 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, looks like we're about to go test the bottom of the range again here for XHG. Here it comes. That thing better be a double bottom, otherwise they're gonna slap it to the 200 EMA. It looks like they're trying to hold it though, right? So now or never, XHG. Now or never. You better go now or we destroy you. Now or never, mister. To do a thing? Yeah, I know. Just sitting there. Again, today really has that Friday vibe, honestly. Just super, super scammy, you know? Super scammy is the Come on now, let's go, XHG. We don't have time to waste. Give us money already. Can someone give me Give me a Grim's password. We need to go all in. Yeah, today is extremely scammy, Grim. Someone give me the password. I'm about to go all in. I'm kidding, by the way. Anyways, yeah, you want to be careful. You want to be careful with Fridays, especially on short weeks. You make money, so you get out really quickly because it's like that. No buying pressure coming in at all on XHG here. But then again, that's everything else that we're looking at. That thing broke down. Yeah. Yep. And there goes this one breaking down too, right? So good morning, Rob. Ayo. Yeah, everything just looks sussy. So the only good thing about XHG is that it's still above the 200 EMA, and I bet you at some point they're gonna scam and then pop it, which is annoying. Yeah, exactly, Kelvin. Exactly. But choo, 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 choo. Reduces convertible through conversion while maintaining a cash position. 2020. Okay. Huh, perfect. Seriously, Wall Street. Seriously, yeah. Today just seems like that type of day. Well, let's see what the what's CDT. CDT actually. Dang, we should have maybe paid more attention to this one because that thing found a base at 10 cents. But at the same time, this was a micro penny stock, and But CDT said, you know what, guys, I'm gonna be the one. Like I said earlier, again, if XHG breaks below that level, then we go back and retest the 200, right? So, and that's exactly what it looks like it's doing here. So we'll see. Okay. Um. doo, doo. Okay. Together and VMAR. VMAR is what you like. Okay. I'll take a look. Yeah, CDT actually does look really nice. Is anybody holding CDT? Chris, are you in this one? I know you were asking earlier at 10 cents. Are you in this one? Hopefully you are. Rob, are you liking these spy dips? Because I think you are. Because time for you to buy the dips. Buy the dipskis, Rob. Momentum? No, I don't think this thing has any momentum. The last hope for this thing is that it stays above $1.30 here. Because if it doesn't, I think they're gonna slap it a bit more. So needs to stay above it. Yeah, CDT is looking really good. So 80%, 15 cents coming there. 15 cents. You are? Yeah. Dip time. Is Virus in the woods? Where is Virus? uh, in the woods. Do, do, do. At this point, we might honestly start looking for like swing plays, you know? La 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 la. Absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. Well, I mean, the year is early, so we'll see what AMD does the rest of the year. So our last hope here for XHG though is that it stays above this 200 EMA already. So maybe this is it. Yeah, you AK, I think you take big losses. I'm noticing, just a pattern of your like your trades. Um do you have a max stop loss in your positions? AK, again, I'm telling you, like you need to become a gold member because you're wasting more money than that membership cost. Not kidding at all. So you need to invest in yourself. Yeah, you do. Here we go. Lots of weakness, guys. Too much weakness today. Too much weakness. Yeah. No, 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 no. Okay, perfect. So if you want to come join us in Discord, there's only two levels. So there's a legend and then there's a goat. So the goat is if you need one-on-one help, right? And then the legend is if you just want to join Discord and everything else that it comes with. Alrighty. So click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot, and it's going to show you. It's going to tell you what you need to potentially do. Alrighty. So these candles, these candles need to find ways to close above that 200 EMA for XHG. Otherwise, Dunskies. Your puts. Very nice. Yeah, today is more of a put day. Okay, let's see. Let me look at CDT actually. What is it doing here? Yeah. Looks like that thing isn't quite done yet. Is anybody holding CDT in the chat? Anybody? Because that thing actually does look nice. That was a good dip, and then it's going right back up. Markets should be closed on Fridays too. I agree. I agree. They should have closed the market on today. Yeah, you are long term. Interesting. Okay, very interesting. Very, very interesting. It looks like we're trying to break above that 15 cents with CDT here. Friday, Friday. Are you gonna break out? And there it goes, CDT. That thing has all the momentum for now. All the momentum. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, there's a huge supply zone up there too. So, and then 15 cents is just a big psychological level, anyways. Big psychological level. Yeah, GRYP, meh, right? So that 200 EMA, that retesting, we said this the other day, right, guys? We said this the other day. Like, the problem isn't a stock going below the 200 EMA. The problem is going below and then coming back to the 200 EMA and finding resistance. To me, that's usually the nail in the coffin, right? Like when you go below and then you come back and you fail at the 200 EMA, it becomes a big red flag. That's exactly what GRYP has done. So always a bit of a problem. PRZO off the 200. Okay, carry on. Sounds good. Hopefully it's a bigger time frame now. That 200. Hopefully. Dang, SPY looks weak. SPY just hit new lows of the day, guys. 581.60. My goodness. There's weakness everywhere. Weakness everywhere, guys. Weakness. So Trump needs to hurry up and get in the office because they're gonna destroy the markets before he gets in there. Maybe he wants that too, honestly, but we shall see. We shall see. They really should have closed the Archer. I know. They really should have closed the abandoned ship. Save yourselves. Seriously, Dan. Seriously. Yeah, they really should have closed the market today. You know, they really should have closed it and then gone from there. So HG is actually trying to cross back above the 200 EMA, so that's a good thing. Something needs to give us monies today, though. Mohammed, hopefully, it looks like it's trying. Um, the one thing that it cannot do though is break below 120, because if it does, I think that thing is garbage. Um, Already, so SPY just broke new lows of the day, guys. We're about to go test 580, 580, 580, 60. Looking very sussy, sussy, sussy. It's time to go find more monies and buy the dipskis. Causing the market to crash. I mean, that might have been another thing too. Honestly, fires in California. Maybe, hopefully, everybody that's in California is safe, guys. Um, cause that place looks like a movie, like an absolute movie. CDT doesn't look like it's quite done yet. It's still testing 15 cents, so hopefully it breaks above. Hopefully, yeah. Luna, it's trying to for sure, right? Like I said before, again, my problem always isn't like breaking below the 200 EMA. Is when a stock breaks below and it tries to come back, because we always come back. It's very rare that we break below the 200 EMA and we go straight to the abyss. At some point, there's always a retest. The problem is if we fail to break above that, red flags. So XHG came right back above it, so that's a good thing. And then if you look at the other one, like uh, GRYP, it came back to retest it and it failed, and then straight to new lows. Straight to new lows. Damn, SPY is about to break below 580, guys. Sheesh. Look at that. My goodness. Crazy, crazy. Uh, War Machine, yeah. Yeah. Yup. Yup, yup, yup. Let's see here. Okay, there you go. Promising? No, it doesn't. But there's a small demand zone there, so I wouldn't be overly concerned about it. Um, that's not the biggest red flag. Alrighty. Hmm. Interesting. So hopefully it bounces here. Otherwise, slappity slap. To the view app a lot. Yes. Not in the way that you think like you probably do, but I do. The view app is a really important tool. Very very important tool when it comes to the markets. Very important. Mm. Okay, CDT is going. Yeah, CDT broke out. CDT broke above that 15 cents, so that's looking really good actually. Very very good. Okay, let's see here. BKYI, Grim. Okay. BKYI. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Let's go. Let's go. You got into AKYA at $3. Okay, I'll take a look. So Daily says I don't pay attention to the technicals, and that's okay. Honestly, that's okay. Maybe as long as you're very good at doing fundamental analysis. I don't do since you don't day trade. Yeah, exactly. If you're not trading, then yeah, that works perfectly for you. Spy broke below 580. My goodness. Rita, I'll put this up so I don't forget. Alrighty, put it up so I don't forget. Shush. Uh, Perfect. Do, 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 do. 1 second, 0. Okay. On FUBO puts, well done, Wall Street. Yeah, on a day like today, you're making monies. That's a good thing. Very, very good thing. Yeah, today really is chaos. Let me pull up the S&P actually. Yeah, I want to look at those next levels since we broke down. I'm going to start with the 4-hour time frame here. Because if you look to the left hand side on these 4-hour time frames, clearly we're below the 200, which isn't a good thing, right? But the bottom of that is I think which is where what you're looking at, right? Is closer to 77, 78, which is exactly what you're looking at, TK. Right, that last dip we had, this was December 20, right? The last dip we had was December 20, and the bottom of that candle was 577, 670 ish already. And then below that, which is the more reliable support, I think you'd be looking for all the way to like between 570 and 565. That would be your more reliable support, right? But for now, though, I think I would be more so focused on that 577. And then if we broke below that, then we're kind of getting into danger levels. 577 puts at the open, not trying to gamble too much. Okay. You're green, you're nicely green on those though, right? You should be. Should be nice and green on those. Sheesh. Yeah, stay safe, everybody. If you're not in anything and you don't need to be, then maybe just sit back and relax a bit. There you go. Looks like we're getting a bounce here though, right? On XHG, which is a good thing. So let's see if we can start to actually get some boom skis. Some boom skis. The view up la na 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 na. Yeah, no, it broke through. It broke through. The only question is, can we actually stay above it now and create higher lows, right, Mohammed? For XHG here. The S&P is just getting slapped. 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 Uh, okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. I'll do that. D. I think the problem with AMD is like Biden dropped negative news as the market was already crashing, right? So then that just created a very negative vibe for AMD. Very negative vibe. Come on, XHG. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Discord, I have a lot of catching up to do. Lots of great information. Thomas, absolutely. Right. Take your time and honestly go through that stuff, especially over the weekend. Right. Take your time, just study, 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 study. Any questions, let us know, and then we cook together. Anyways, let me go ahead and look at your position here though, Rita. So you got into AKYA. You got in at you said $3. So you're slightly green in that position. If I look at all these wicks on this stock, you can already clearly tell like where that resistance is at, right? Because it's not really hidden. You can go back to November, October of last year, and it's the exact same spot that it's been failing at. Yes, you have wicks above, but really those candles are failing to close above. Anytime it gets close to like that, like between 330 and 350, it's a problem. But anyways, you're in and you're green, which is good. Do you have a stop loss in mind, Rita? Let me know. Right. So again, your next resistance would be closer to 330. Right. So I'm gonna call like 320, 330, and then 350 is what I'd be looking at there. XHG is it was cooking Luna. Make sure you're not delayed, and it's coming back down now. So I don't know if it's coming back down to retest or just to cause problems. Oh, not. Yeah. So put a stop loss on this position, Rita. Right. Put a stop loss in that position. Yeah. Come on now, XHG. We need you to give us something today. You have put on Meta after it failed 607 target 584. Hmm. Meta. Let me zoom out a bit here. Hmm. 607. Did you get into these puts earlier though, Jericho? I hope you did. Because I think those are really nice puts, especially if you got in earlier. And then yeah, I can see what you're looking at for that target. The target makes a lot of sense, right? So this would be the level to pay attention to if the markets just keep dropping. Perfect, right? Yeah. So, anyways, back to XHG here. Maybe this is going to be the stock that pisses us off and then comes back to cook. Maybe you did, Jericho. Beautiful. That's easy then. Easier to manage. Okay. Welcome. Come on already. Can something just cook? Or do we just need to go all in on spy puts? Come on. No, 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 no. Yep, absolutely. Market down also. It depends. I think what we need to look at for next week is what's on the earnings calendar, and don't we have CPI next week as well? So yeah, I think if we close below 580 per van, which I think is what you should be paying attention to, if we close below 580, and then the answer is probably yes. Alrighty. So it really depends on how we end the day today. See if the bulls come in at all today. If not, then yeah, to the abyss, straight to the abyss. Archer, I know. I wish you went in all in on spy puts though. So February 7th swing plays cost close. Okay, swing class. Yes. So not a swing class. It's a technical analysis class, isn't it? Um, unless I made a mistake. No. So no, no, no. Yeah. So we had to move the one from January 3rd because it was a holiday, really. Right. So this Friday. So we're going to be talking about technical analysis today in the Legend Voice channel at 4:30 Eastern time. So we have a class today. And we're just going to talk about technical analysis. So if you have any questions about reading charts, anything like that, make sure you show up today. Right. 4:30 Eastern in the Legend Voice channel. Alrighty. So that's what's happening today. Did you keep? Okay. DATS is actually looking okay today. Actually, dang. Yeah, DATS was perfect. If you guys remember, we were talking about DATS yesterday, right? At that $3 range, that $3 range was perfect because it broke above $4. You are TK. I think that's a good sell because I can see Meta pumping. I know Spy is probably pushing as well. Probably pushing. Hmm. Yeah. Is the sun, Mohammed? Yeah. Today is the day for sure. Today is the day. Are you still holding a HOTH, Yi? Or you got rid of it? Yeah. Good plan, TK. Good plan. Yeah, let me pull up Spy here. Yeah, it looks like we're stalling a bit at the bottom there, like you said. So, I mean, again, that 580 level at the very least should be a magnet, right? 580 is a pretty big round number, right? So you would think that, we at the very least play games if, around this range before we end up crashing again or bounce, right? So that's a good level for you to be scaling out of your position, your puts. Let me pull up BTC too. Dang, BTC is back to 92.6, guys. My goodness. Talk about but then again, like, so look at the market cycle, guys. Look at the market cycle chart, right? So look at this. um I don't think this should be like a major surprise. Every year, every single year, the first 3 months are usually very sus, right? Very sus, and then at some point we end up, you know, rolling up. I think the only exception to that this year was, maybe people saying like, "Oh, Trump is coming into office," like a lot of excitement. He likes the markets, blah blah blah, and then we pump, right? But other than that, though, like the seasonality chart for the markets usually pretty negative at the beginning of the year. I'll post that in the options channel there for you guys. You shorted BTC, good. Monies. Hopefully, anybody that was holding CDT took some gains out there in that supply zone. XHG is still finding ways to stay above the 200, so it better stay above it. Otherwise, we're done with it. That 50 EMA is a problem, so we need to really get above $1.50 if this thing is gonna cook again. Spy is almost back to 581, so good exit there, TK. Good morning, Wes. It's snowing for you, North Alabama. Come back in with 3. Okay. Winas came back in with 3. Winas. I like it. I like it. I think you were looking for this chart, right, D? The uh, the daily gains. So this is it. Maybe just take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of it. Ready? And then this one, guys. Right? How to deal with maybe bad trading days or red days in the market. Just close the computer. Just say not today. Not today. Come on, XHG. We need monies. We need monies. Just go already. Stop slacking. Seriously. Goodness. Doo, doo, doo. Let me search this up again. Oh, no. Okay. That is actually looking really good. Looking very good. The time is now, Mohammed. New fires, hurricanes, wars, not to mention yeah, there you go, Archer. Yeah. There really is a lot of negativity. So a lot of negativity. Cancel. Uh, okay. You missed it? Okay, I'll put it up again. Uh, this one, D. Good? I think so. You're in at 132, Lori. Not a bad entry at all. It just needs to break out. You can see that downtrend sitting right there below 150. It needs to break out if it wants to go. Someone's holding it back. They need to take the fat foot off the damn thing. Off the damn thing so it can cook. Here we go, 47. It's trying. Trying. So, but you can kind of see though, anytime it approaches like $1.50, they slap it back down on that downtrend. Maybe the time is now though. No, 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 no. Yeah, DATS looks good. I just looked at DATS on the other screen there. It looks really good. So that level we talked about again, $3 yesterday for anybody that bought it when we mentioned it was really nice. Like I said, again, I like DATS as long as it stays about $3. Give us a breakout. Give us a breakout. La na 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 na. TK for what? For XHG? Yeah, that thing is just failing on that downtrend there. So yeah, that trend is coming all the way from the highs of the day actually. So not a crazy amount of touches, but still, it needs to break it though. So $1.50 if you're holding XHG, it needs to break that. If not, problem. SPY recovering slowly here. Yeah, TK, yeah, should. So looks like we're bouncing. Dan, how's futures today? Any good? Any good or just garbage as well? And then CDT is curling off the 50 EMA at 13 cents. Curling. Do, 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 do. Mm, 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 mm. You missed it, Gail. No, I think you're joking. I don't believe you. XHG needs some of the volume from CDT because CDT behaves a lot better. A lot better. TK. Good thing you sold those by puts actually. Go, 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 go. Doo, doo. Okay. Yeah, look at that, right? So we basically just failed on the downtrend and now it's coming back down, XHG. So that thing isn't going anywhere until it breaks above that trend. And if it does, then cool. Yeah, that trend line obviously will move down as the stock goes down. So it's no longer at $1.50, but I'm sure $1.50 is still going to be resistance. Alrighty. So GRYP, are you still in this one, AK, or no? Right. So it looks like we bounced up 35 cents for now. It just doesn't have the volume anymore. Let me pull up DATS here. DATS ran all the way to $4.80, which is nice. Very, very nice. 480. Interesting. Okay. 37 AK. Okay. Yeah, that's annoying. Very annoying when they do that. CDT retesting the highs of the day. Congratulations if you're in this one. Alrighty, because that thing dipped and came all the way back. all the way back. Mm, Rob, that's oh yeah, that was your chart, right? Yeah. Is it? Oh yeah, XTIA is halted up. Yeah, be careful though, because that thing was getting destroyed for a long time and then just popped. On Fridays, yeah, honestly, AK, that's part of the that's part of the reason to keep a journal or just um like just go back and look at your trades, because some people just don't do well on Fridays, and if you notice that that's you, um then two things you could do: you could either avoid Fridays or you could just look for A+ setups, right? You only look for setups that meet a specific criteria for you, right? So I think part of your problem is you don't quite have that trading strategy that you trust, and if that's the case, then you need to find that and then only do that on Fridays. Okay, sounds good, Grim. See you soon. Alrighty, see you soon. Bring snacks when you come back too. Bring snackies. Uber. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Ayo, good morning, Fresh. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, looks like XHG has lost the volume for now, but still holding. Yeah, DATS looks amazing, by the way. Amazing. Funny enough, we wanted $6 for DATS. So mm, mm, mm. DATS looking good. So again, if you bought DATS anywhere close to $3, you're just smiling right now. Anybody holding DATS? Let's go, Robs. Hello, hello.
You hear me?
I can hear you now.
You hear me?
Yeah, now I can.
What's up?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
How are you? How's your morning in the markets?
Oh, I wasn't expecting it to continue. I mean, I'm watching the Head and Shoulders play out, so it's playing
Yep,
out. But I kept thinking that it was going to probably bounce, but it's not. And the
it
news
really
wasn't
isn't.
that bad, the market. But I guess I don't know what's going on.
No, I
I
think
guess
I
that
think it's
Shoulders
yeah,
wants to play out.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think a lot of it is just sentiment. Just
hmm
we're not sure what's happening, and
Actually,
yeah,
the consumer sentiment came out lower than expected. Yep.
yeah, exactly. So I think people are just not sure what's happening. Are you in both of those plays already, Jeff? What are you in at? That's a pretty good bounce of Spy though. Spy is almost back to 582, almost back up there. Yeah, Rob posted a really nice chart in the options cooking lab, and it's done really well, like in terms of like following the levels and stuff like that. Um, so always make sure you pay attention to the options cooking lab because Rob always posts spy charts and other stuffs in there, other things in there. Okay, sounds. Oh wow, look at that. That's is gonna push for that $6, isn't it? There we go. 51 and $1.63. Okay. I'll take a look, Jeff.
Everything did that.
Yep. It's all Rob's fault. It wouldn't be that way if he wasn't.
I've traded very little. Like I've been waiting for my setup, and if I get even just $200, I'm happy and I'm out. Like I'm done.
Yep.
I've been
No,
like,
honestly.
yeah, so crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it should be on days like this. Like if you have to look for like really good setups, very good setups, and if you don't see it, you sit on your hands. Okay, so cents, 51 cents for Jeff. Okay, so you're green in this one, Jeff. Green. Okay. The only difference here, Jeff, is you're looking for swings. I don't know if you actually have stop losses on these things, but let's assume that you don't, and you're just looking for swings. I like what this is doing, Jeff. If I was in the same position, your entry is actually quite nice because 52 to 50 cents is a beautiful spot, and as long as it stays above that, you should be okay. Mental
Mhm.
stops, okay, yeah. So if we can stay above these moving averages though, Jeff, you should be okay. Because on a like let's just do a 5 minute, because you're really gonna make your decision about a swing at the end of the day, anyways, right? So as long as we stay above that 50 cents, right, to 52, I think you should be okay for now. And it's pushing up, like it's hitting highs of the day now, right? So that does look really good.
VWAP,
You just have to, yeah. Go ahead, Rob.
that's the VWAP, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah, it's saying it. The algo saying it. Watch for a possible VWAP high volume breakout because there's a
Yeah,
lot of volume there.
yeah,
See that 4x there and the high
yeah,
volume breakout? Yeah, we got to see if it breaks out now.
yeah, exactly. There you go, Jeff. FRGT. So just kind of chase that one up with a stop loss, and this one you're in, like this one doesn't have amazing volume, right? This one has 46,000 shares, but you kind of have a double bottom there, which is actually support. So if I was in this one, I'd probably put a stop loss at like $1.54. Alrighty, like right below that uptrend, and then also you can kind of see how this level was initially support right there, and then it became resistance right there, and then it became support again right there, and then that's the bottom today, right? So I would just use this level, Jeff, as like your if we break below this level, okay, then we're gonna come all the way down to $1.35 ish.
Let's
Alrighty,
go, Jeff. Yeah, man. I'm
yeah,
glad. Let's go.
let's go. XHG guys, again, still playing games here with us, but it's still holding that 200 EMA. So it's only a matter of time before we go boomskis. Only a matter of time before we go boomskis. Come on now, just break 150. Seriously, Rob, what do we need from this? 2x volume coming in. Just go already.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Again at the VWAP, they're just struggling.
yeah. Let's go, Jeff.
Lower band. Yeah, there's more. Yeah, more volume coming in. Look, 3x now.
Yeah, just needs to break out. Go, go, go. Now that Rob is here, maybe this thing is gonna break out. It was waiting for Rob. That thing's like, nope.
Don't put pressure on me.
Rob is here. You have to break out. Nope, it failed at the exact same spot, guys. So that level, the closer you
Slapped.
are to $1.50, go ahead, Rob.
No, I was just saying it got slapped.
Oh yeah, 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 exactly. So if it does, it needs to break above that level if it's gonna go. If not, meh. Spy actually went all the way up and broke above the 82. Not a
Very
bad
cool.
bounce.
Oh, so I'm Blaze. I'm sorry. I get here for the first time in a while, and I'm talking over you. I'm sorry.
No, no, no. I think it's because like we have a bit of a delay. So then,
Do we? It's my trading view. It's always does that. Trading view and StreamYard,
yeah,
they don't work good together.
yeah. I don't know why that is though. Like it's so silly.
I was gonna say that carry on. Yeah. I'm glad. Yeah, they're perfect. I always tell people to read in trading in the zone first, and then best loser wins. But honestly, yeah, they complement each other very well. Yep.
Yep.
It's a really good. Like, I mean, I recommend that to everyone in the beginning of the year now that you're starting off new, a new mindset. Want to try. Want to start new things. It'll be great to read that.
Yep. Mimi, we need monies, Rob.
Tell me about it.
Anybody holding CDT in the chat? Because that thing looks good still. MIMI. You ready for the class today, Rob? Ready? Yeah, technical analysis class 4:30. Mm,
Yep.
let's see. This is a brand new IPO though, Yi. Mm.
Uh, laughing at the chat.
You know what? I have nothing to say. Nothing. Unbelievable. Huh. These IPOs are always tough though, Yi, you know?
Oh,
Always
it's
really
an
tough.
IPO.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, good. What's good about it is that it found the base at 410 and it reversed. So that's good.
Yeah.
You just gotta see if it
Exactly.
breaks those those it gotta it's gotta create newer highs. The funny thing is that if I was on, but like Blaze, he's great. Like just he keeps talking and doing all that. If I was by myself and alive, like I don't know how I would do it. Like he's made for this. I'm good to compliment him, right? To talk over him and joke around, but I can't just stay like on like he does. It's incredible.
No, teamwork. Teamwork is how we do it. Teamwork, guys. Perfect. Knock knock. Who is there? Not spy. Yeah, this looks interesting. It almost needs to like you probably are in this already. If not, I would just leave it alone until it actually breaks out again. Just in case it double tops and then comes back down. Exactly, TK. Sammy was asking if we could look at DATS again. We looked at DATS on Wednesday, right? We talked about this one as at $3, and it's been running all day today. So, Sammy, I'm not sure if you have a position in this, but let me know. Your next support is 480 already, and then obviously you could look at this as your next resistance at like 550 ish. Alrighty, so 480 versus 550. Cool. And then if we break below, then you could just look at the view app and closer to 420 or 450. Yeah. Why does everything look sus? Why? Yeah, so it looks like DATS is holding 480 for now. It actually like that last candle was 480 and then popped back to 510. So it's just sitting there playing games with us. Why are there so many IPOs on a Friday though? Why? Why'd they do that? Just seems like not a smart thing to do. Sure, people have more oxygen. So, anyways,
Blaze, you know what I got?
well,
I got a those soda machines that make that you pump what is it, nitrogen or whatever into the water and then it makes it soda,
okay.
carbonated water.
Uh-huh.
So then I bought that and it's great because I like to buy those carbonated cans of water that you see me with sometimes.
Yeah.
But with that, I just put it comes with I put my water in it and then I just
Mm.
pump it and it makes it carbonated, bro. And then you put the flavor you want if you want. It's great.
Oh, you can put flavor into like the machine makes the flavor as well.
No, you put in the flavor afterwards. You just a couple of drops or even
Oh,
a lemon or something or orange or whatever. That's the one,
oh,
Sean. That's the one. Yep,
oh,
that's the
Soda
one, Dan.
Stream.
Yep, that's the one. Yep,
Oh,
I'm loving it.
that's so cool. Huh. Very cool. Soda Stream. I've seen those ads on TV.
I have one in the. I have one that I bought. I bought one a cheaper one, but I got another one now because I'm gonna put upstairs in my theater room, so it's gonna be nice.
Okay. Oh yeah, you can watch movies in I
Yeah,
like it. Like it. You guys know where we're going for the next holiday, guys? Rob's house. Rob's house. No. It doesn't last that long. What do you mean? Like the machine?
it doesn't. I mean, the What do you mean the soda, the carbonation in the water?
Bring your own flavor. Look at Bitcoin recover, Rob.
Wow, yeah, it had to. It was right there. It wasn't the pointer. It was in the line. It was right on the line of the sand there. If it didn't,
Yeah. 42. Hmm, perfect. Perfect. Sense is curling. Yeah. The really good trend up for that one.
yeah, Jeff.
Yeah. Very good trend. Mm, okay, perfect.
Told you.
CDT. Did it actually? Yeah, I did. Yeah, 18 cents and then got slapped. The Jason, 18 cents is a really common level for penny stocks though. Like 18 cents is a constant fail level, and once you break and hold that, and then it's 20 cents. Uh,
I have to say I'm proud of Doge. It's
you are?
it's
Why?
held really good because it's held really good. It hasn't. It's still like at 30 something. Like like I
Mhm.
remember it used to crash a lot. But now it's like holding.
Yeah.
It's doing pretty
Yep.
good. If you ask me.
Doge. Doge needs to get moving.
Yeah, but I don't trust Bitcoin until it like breaks over 100 again.
100.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Especially
it's so.
especially now that it's following the S&P too. Like it's so tied to the S&P. Anytime SPY drops, Bitcoin is like, "Oh, wait, I'm coming with you."
There was a head and shoulders on the on the Bitcoin on the daily, and right at the
As well.
neckline it bounced. So yeah,
Okay.
it bounced right at the neckline. So it's like
Okay.
right there. Like if it rejects, it's going down, man. So we need it to hold.
Mhm. Are you
I think
RE?
this
Okay.
market is waiting. You think the market's waiting for Trump or what?
I think so. I think so. I think so, Rob.
Right? It's just playing
Yeah.
with those lows and
Yeah, I think so. I think it's
yeah,
a combination of that, and also not just being sure, like not again, like we could look at these numbers, these fake numbers they're putting on like jobs and
I'm
also
glad you said it.
like yeah.
I'm glad I didn't say it. You said it.
Sorry. I mean
You're
the job
100% correct. I mean, I just didn't want to say it and start a big, thing. You know what I mean?
uh, and so that and then again like all I think the all of these like futures markets that price in like rate cuts, I think that's the stupidest thing you could ever, they're like, oh, now with these numbers they're pricing in just one rate cut in 2025. I think that's so stupid, honestly.
Yeah,
But anyways, I think the biggest thing is just uncertainty about like what Trump is going to do with tariffs and all the other
yeah,
policies.
yeah. I
So
think the market is still like very iffy on the tariffs.
yeah.
But before the gold standard, tariffs was what it was. Like
Yeah.
before the fiat currency and all that stuff, before taxes, the IRS,
Yeah.
that's what would bring US the money. You know what I mean? It would be
Oh wow.
tariffs.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what would bring in money to the US. It was tariffs. I
Interesting.
mean, we just got to see how the companies react, and if they're going
Yeah.
to, we have to see. I guess, yeah. The
Exactly.
uncertainty is what's bringing this as well. Yeah.
Yep. Exactly. Come on, Archer. Can you pump XHG already? Like, what are we waiting for here? We need that big green candle and then halt it up at $2 and then open at $3, and then squeeze past AMC.
So today we got that thing at 4:30, huh?
Yeah, 4:30. Yeah.
Nice.
So be ready, guys. Again, we're gonna be in the Legends Voice channel, guys, at 4:30 for our group class. So if you have any questions about technical analysis, bring those questions. Right, Archer? Send it. Um, so yeah, bring your questions. Think of like anything you want to learn about charts and come ask. Right. So
Yep. Anything.
yep. Yep. So we might give you like the basics, but for the most part, we want to answer your questions, right? We want to make sure we like stuff that more people struggle with. That's the type of stuff we want to go over. So if
Right.
you struggle with like anything chart related, bring it. Bring it. Dennis, right? For some reason though, like it's just lost all the volume. So whichever direction the next volume comes in, that's the direction I think we're just gonna stay. So if we sell off, I think it's done. If it pops, then okay, cool. Because really, there's nothing else moving, right? Like that's is the only other thing that was moving earlier, but it's kind of consolidating for now. CDT again, higher lows, right? See if it stays above 15 cents, 14 cents. But other than that, really, everything is just like sus. Volume is based on shares. Volume is based on shares. Grimes. So when you say like for example XHG, right? When you say 62 million, it's 62 million shares. So bought and sold, right? So it's not always like this many shares bought, so it should be going up. No, it's both ways. Every share that's bought and sold is counted for. No, 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 no. Okay. JB. Yup. BTC looks nice. Yeah, Spy is almost back to 583. Wow. That was a good TK. Good job on selling those puts, by the way. Because those things would be breathing for they'd be trying to breathe and no air would come. That's a pretty solid bounce actually. Pretty solid bounce. You would be pissed. I'd be pissed for you too, honestly. I would be pissed for you. Let's see. Anything green here? Lots of weakness. That's for sure. Lots of weakness. Dang, the market bounces and everything is still down 1% or more. AMD's like the useless goat of chip stocks. 130 to 145 bunny. Beautiful. Good job. Yeah, that was a good scalp. Good scalpy. The only question is which way is that thing gonna go next? Yeah, that's why when it was halted up, Dennis, I didn't really bother looking because again, it's a brand new split, and honestly, I don't really care what it's doing. Unless there's a theme in the market, I don't really care what the splits are doing on day one because I expect them to crash or at the very least scam you. No, 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 no. Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's see. Something give us a run here, not just the markets. Everybody's just buying the deeps in the stock market then. What's CDT doing here? Yeah, lots of weakness, but that 200 EMA is still holding. So trying. 45 Luna. Yeah, that thing is looking a bit sus, isn't it? Looking a bit sussy. Let's see what it does here, though. Maybe it's good job on selling that thing, by the way, Luna, especially right below resistance. Because if not, you'd be red in that position now. You'd be red, and hoping that it doesn't break down here because it looks a bit dangerous. Dangerous. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. We have lots of time before we hop off. Too bad though that the market is really slow. Too bad that it's really, really slow. Something needs to save us. Save us from this rubbish slowness today. And then sell, Luna? Okay. Come on. What's stats doing? Still consolidating? Yeah. CDT still looks okay. Jeff, your stuff is still holding above there, so that's good. BTC, fine. SPY, meh. Looks like everybody else is just looking for dip opportunities today more than anything else. More than anything else. See, if we had everybody on stream smash alike, we would have something cooking. We would be pumping right now. But so if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like and then see what happens. See what happens. Watch, we're gonna see something start cooking here. Uh, I will. Okay, Cheddar. Yes, please. I will go refill my coffee so something will jump. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, okay. Now something go. Something go. GLXG. Let me pull up that one. GLXG. What is that doing? Galaxy Payroll. Overall volume looks good, but the candles look a bit sus. Candles look sus, but the volume overall looks good. Not sure I trust it yet, but not sure I trust that yet. Spies getting slapped again. Slapped again. Okay. 3. I'm just looking at other plays here now. Just looking. Doo, doo, doo. Mm-mm. This one's looking good though, isn't it? GLXG. Looking good. It is 614, yeah. Because perfect. Uh, okay. There you go. XHG looks like it was good. It was good you guys sold that thing because it's weak. How to connect to Discord with did not are you in Discord? You're just not connected yet, BH? What level membership do you have? Let me know and I'll walk you through. I will walk you through the connection. Send it, Gail. Send it. Dang, Spies coming back down again. Watch, they're gonna come back and retest that double bottom, huh? Yeah, DATS has done a really good job holding 450 actually. Legend. So I'm gonna send you a link in the chat. Then what you want to do is click on that link, and then I'll kind of tell you what to do after that. So click on the link at the bottom of the chat there. If you're on the computer, look on the bottom left. There's a little settings wheel. Click on that settings wheel. Click on connections. Select YouTube and sign in, and then you should be good to go. Right. So click that link at the bottom. Do, 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 do. I see what you're doing, Luna. Yeah, I see what you are doing. Scaling. Yeah, you just have to remember when you scale, there has to be like an overall plan, though, right? So there has to be like a maximum loss level. Just because sometimes when you add to positions and you don't close it if it breaks below level, the losses like get big quickly, very very quickly. No, 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 no. Okay. Cool. 51. 150. Yeah, that thing just failed at the supply zone anyways, right? So yeah, watch $1.50. Seems like a retest of a breakout, Mohammed. The only reason I didn't like that thing was because like it was running already and the spread was a bit crazy. So I don't really trust when stocks are doing that. Not FOMO. Usually I do not scale that, but this is action that okay, perfect. Luna, yeah, yes, yes, yes. No, that's different for sure. It's different when it's just crashing, right? Because then you're just gambling at that point. Just taking gambles at that point. BH, let me know if it's working already. Should be. Doo, doo, doo. Okay, what else do we like here? Do, 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 do. Okay, perfect. DATS is cooking. Yeah, no, DATS looks good again. So perfect. Right? Dip skis and then all the way back up to 550. Beautiful. That's actually a very nice retest. So maybe that's is gonna be the PO box. That's is gonna be the stonk of the day. So that last fail level was 550. So it looks like it's retesting it again. And there goes brand new highs of the day for DATS. So that looks nice. Anybody buy the dip for DATS? So now it needs to stay above that 550 if it wants to keep going. If it wants to keep going, it needs to stay above that. Doo, doo. Doo, doo, doo. Okay. Mm, it's an interesting spread on that stock. How about that? How about that? Yes, it's still not really holding above yet though, above 550. Like you notice how none of those candles are closing above yet, so still a double top. Still a double top. 561, that's where everyone was buying. 561? What do you mean? It failed at 561s. So you should have been stopped out at that level. It's a good thing that you got stopped out. Mm, choo, choo, choo. Doo, doo, doo. Okay. Oh, 461. Yeah, that's annoying, Larry. Very, very annoying. Yeah, I really wonder if SPY is gonna end up closing above 580, or if it's just gonna go back and break below the bottom. It kind of looks like it wants to go break the bottom, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks really good actually. That looks really good. Uh, doo, 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 doo. Okay. Oh, Eric, yeah. Consumer sentiment came out lower. Yeah, not surprised. Doo, doo. Okay. Details. Where to look? You did, so you're good to go now. You can see all the channels. Okay, go to the Getting Started channel. The very last video in there is a video that shows you all the channels in Discord and how they work. Go watch that video at some point over the weekend or later today. Alrighty. We just want to again, or you can just click through all the channels and see what's where. Right. You should be doing that anyways. And then later today, we're going to be in the Legend Voice channel for the class. Alrighty. For the class is where we shall be. Mm. Choo, choo, doo, doo. Hmm. Yeah, BH, let me know. Let me know. Doo, 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 doo. Mm. Perfect. Are you guys buying any dips, like any large cap dips, or you're just kind of watching for now? Anybody buying any big names? Anything at all? Mm. Doo, 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 doo. CDT? That's not a big name. Christian? Unbelievable. Not a big name at all. Hmm. NVIDIA and basically Tesla, Larry? Okay. Nobody buying AMD dips? Jeff, you're buying those BTC dip skis? Archer, you know what? If I could slap you through the computer. Mullen. I mean, you never know. Yeah, AMD and Bitcoin dips basically, Jeff. Not bad at all. Yeah, not bad.
I could never, you see, I can't. It's terrible, man. I always get so many calls, and
Oh, was it work? They're like, Rob.
when I'm off, but till Monday, but there's still people calling me,
They're like, come on now. We need you. We need you. Let me look at QQQ. QQQ. So what does
Oh,
QQQ look like on the daily here, Rob? Let's
on
see.
the
Or the
daily.
4 hour.
It should look similar to the SPY.
Yeah. Dang. Below the 200. The 200 was
Mhm.
such an important level for a few months here. Now this
But it's
4 hour
not below until
to
it
the
needs a candle
yeah,
close right above or
exactly.
below.
Exactly.
It's right
Yeah,
on the look at the trend line that it created there.
yeah, exactly. And it's
Yeah,
also a really nice retest. I think like it's a retest
yeah.
of this last breakout there. So is it time to buy the dipskis?
Sometimes when I'm thinking like just from out of this is nothing technical or nothing. I mean, it's based on the technicals, but it's more like sometimes we have to look at the price action and kind of
Yep.
like try to get a sentiment of the market. And if
Mm-hmm.
you notice, it's creating like a higher low, you know, but it's almost like it keeps retesting. What's that white line of yours? That's the 200.
Yeah, that 200 in the 4
So
hour.
it tests the 200 and it goes right back up, right? If the market is dropping like really hard, then it just goes down and and it's not like this. It's almost like buyers keep buying it up again and then trying. So it's like a
Mm-hmm.
battle,
Mm-hmm.
So it's almost like we're not sure that it wants to go that
Yep.
it's like they're not sure. It almost looks like to me it's just that it's just the sentiment. You could
Yep.
tell because it goes up, right back. It drops really hard, but then gets bought up really hard. Drops right back down again, gets bought
Yep.
up again.
Yep. Exactly.
It's just not making a higher high though.
Yep. 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 Let's see. Dang, today's a pretty good job by the way, PO Box. Good job on that. Good job on that trade there. 470 to 549 is pretty nice. Well done. Jericho, that rejection on the 20 SMA daily. Don't you think because it has done that a couple of times on QQQ, you mean? I might need to add that on my charts, Jericho. On SPY? Oh, yes. Yeah. Let me pull up SPY on a more reliable time frame too so we can look at that. Yup, yup, yup.
So
SPY.
SPY is tapping a 4-hour pivot.
Yeah, exactly. Yup.
You see that 4-hour pivot right there, Blaze? You're on
Yeah.
the 4-hour?
Yeah, on the 4 hour on the
You see
left
that
hand.
pivot right there? It
Yeah.
tapped it. You see that?
Yeah.
No, the one before after it. Yeah.
This one?
No, right there next to it. To the left.
Yeah.
There's a pivot right there.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, right there. It
Yeah.
tapped it and it got bought up. Yep.
Yeah. Wait, so SPY is down 4% in the last month? Interesting. Down 4%.
Which is not much.
No. But people panic with that stuff though. Crazy.
Yeah. And a
Panic,
bull
panic,
market, everybody's used to the market just reversing quick, so
yeah, that's
when
true.
that happens, they get shaken out.
That's, yeah. Very true. That's just broke $6. That's a very nice pop for that. Sheesh, from $3 to $6, guys, yesterday. Well, on Wednesday when we were streaming, right? Beautiful. So that offering they did kind of created an opportunity there for that. Opportunity TTT for that. You just sold it, Lion? But watch it. It's gonna go all the way to 7, probably.
Wait, is it me? I haven't seen Laredo in a while. It's probably me, right?
Yeah, no, line is usually in the chat.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's probably me, Laredo. What's up?
Lion.
But not in the Discord, right?
No, no, I think no, not in Discord. Lion is usually just on stream. Yeah. Still panic sell Archer? Yeah, exactly. Dang, what's XHG doing there? It's just like it's holding $1.20, but it just seems confused. And then at
Yeah.
some point, it's gonna run like it was never, like after we're done with it, though. That's when it's gonna pump.
Yeah. No worries. Me too. Trust me.
Pump it. Dang, everything is red today, Rob. Everything. Everything red. Blood. Blood in the streets. SPY is about to break down again, isn't it?
Thinker wants to play out that head and shoulders. My target's like almost 570
570?
in that chart that I posted. I mean, it's a measured move, right? We
Yeah,
could talk
exactly.
about that in the technical analysis, how to measure head and shoulders.
Yeah.
And that measured move of the head and shoulders, I got around there.
Mm-hmm.
570 to 570 something.
Yep. DATS.
Gonna be working on the next update for the algo.
Okay.
Gonna start adding alerts, some more alerts that people are asking and stuff. So
Okay. Alerts. There you go, guys. So if you don't have the algo, get the algo. Can I do my taxes now?
pretty
Soon, Lion,
damn.
soon.
Yeah, pretty
Funny.
much. Jesus. I'm like I'm taking TradingView to the limit with the algo.
Yeah.
But people love it. I mean, you don't even need to get the paid version because you can get so many different types of indicators in one.
Yep, exactly.
But it's getting tight. The code is getting like it's screaming already. It's like, Rob, calm down, because I get some
Yeah.
ideas and I want to keep adding. I
Yeah.
was thinking of creating like maybe some like a second one. You know what I mean? Like a complementary one that'll complement it because there's so many things.
Mhm. Yeah.
Man, great. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
then
we put a lot of work in. It's been a while. It's been a
yeah,
while now.
it's been years now.
Yeah, it's been
Years
years.
of working on the algo.
I found some pictures, Blaze, of when it first
Oh
started,
yeah.
and I got to show that. We got to show that.
Yeah.
It looks like crazy.
Like
It would just say like buy, like it would say like bear, bull,
yeah.
like big
The buy and sell
letters and
signals.
stuff. What was that?
Like the buy and sell signals, almost like the super trend.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it started like that. It was
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
And when I look at it now, it's like my daughter says, so cringe. It's so cringe. I mean, it worked, because that's the beginning of everything.
Yep.
But now it's so much more intricate. There's so many
Yeah,
more things
exactly.
happening in the background.
Exactly. So cringe.
Actually, I called it the bull bear signal. It's called the
Yep.
bull bear signal because TradingView doesn't allow you to rename it. So,
Yep.
but Blaze was the one that gave it the name like of an algo because it really was. It's like it's a lot of things happening in the background. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a bit of it's algorithmic in a way. So it's kind of like he's the one
Yeah.
that gave it that name, like BB Algo.
Yeah.
But the name of it when you find it on TradingView, I mean when you buy it, it's
Yeah.
Signal because of that. I don't know if anybody's ever wondered, but I was never able to rename it because TradingView doesn't allow that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that thing does a lot of work, so might as well.
Yeah.
I'll go.
So I'm always trying to tweak it because when it loads, I don't want it to take so long loading on the chart,
Oh yeah, that's true too.
especially if you have various charts.
Yeah.
And I had one update once that it happened to me only once or twice, I think, where it
Mm-hmm.
started taking a long time to load. And I said, oh boy. But now
Hmm.
TradingView has made some changes too, so it's it's
Yeah, they're
it's it's
getting, yeah,
it's been responsive again. You know.
yeah. You could always, like, Rob, you could always like take stuff out too, like some stuff that
Yeah,
we just, yeah,
yeah, yeah.
like, yeah. Because I know some people will ask for stuff and then we just never use it, but that
Hmm.
option is there. So
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. DATS is yeah. DATS has resistance up there, Lion. Resistance. Raven, how are you liking the? Are you there already? Are you on the hike? Get those calls in the money. Choo, 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 choo. Okay. Do, 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 do. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Let's see. And 10. Do, 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 do. SMX, yeah. Looks like that wants to break out here though. There goes new highs of the day. Oh my goodness. Whew. What an absolute beauty that thing is. Mm, hmm. Someone wants Rob's buddy again, guys.
Right.
They're like, come on, Rob. We need you. We need you again. Do, 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 do. Mm, hmm. 1 second. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Take a look at XTIA. Oh, that's that stock, isn't it? Dang, SPY looks yeah, I've been ignoring this one today, just because it's a split, right? Down 52%. At some point it's gonna run. You love the weakness, Joe? Come on now. We need boomskis. Yeah, there's really nothing we can look at on this one though, like in terms of like technicals, other than like just waiting for the momentum, right? I think the key for this one, which is, yeah, because this chart is a bit more hmm. You're not
Yeah.
in this one already though, are you? Yeah, let me know. Good morning. Good
It
morning,
has
Jen.
room to drop.
Yeah, it really does, doesn't it? So with these split names, Rob, like I usually just wait for the momentum to kick in, like
Hmm.
and then you're better off FOMOing than trying to catch. Yeah,
That's a good point
yeah,
because of these types of stocks. Yeah.
yeah, exactly. It's down a lot though, like 53%. At some point, it's gonna run with that float, right? You just have to set alerts and watch it really closely because you never know. But hopefully, you can stay above like 550. If it can consolidate above that level, maybe that's not a bad gamble. Uh, January 6th, I reported sale of common stock on the Nasdaq at yeah, I think that was before they did the offering and then they did the split, Lion. So, uh, would weekend plays qualify for the small swing channels? Yes, wings. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes, they would. Let's see. Interesting. Yeah, Luna, two small wins today. Yeah, honestly, that goes a long way for like building confidence and trusting the process, right? So don't mind that at all. Heavily CNSP. Yeah, I think Raven is in that too. Wait, did Raven ever respond? I think so. I just missed it. You're just about to go now, Raven. Okay, then you have no signal. So you're sitting in the car, Raven. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, CNSP. 11 cents. That's a pretty good level too, isn't it? Yeah. Right above 10 cents. I think we talked about this one the other day. That's why we did these arrows at the bottom, right? Like that's not a bad zone at all. As long as it stays above 10 cents, yeah. And then the last time it ran to 16 cents, 17 almost. So hopefully it can do it again. Yeah. Love it, Luna. Yeah, take your time. It's a process and it slowly clicks, Slowly clicks. Do. Yeah.
I owe Luna an answer. She DM'd me about something. I
Okay.
gotta explain it.
Yeah. DATS? Why did you spell it that way, Lion? Now we really know what you're thinking. Now we really know what you're thinking. Funny. Funny. Hmm. Interesting.
So did Tesla announce the new Model Y?
I don't think so. Let me
Why keep
maybe
saying like
TradingView has a yeah, maybe TradingView has a thing first. Tesla. Sometimes they have the headlines on there. Well, there was oh yeah. It says update in China. Hmm.
say that
So
again?
not huh?
You what happened?
No, it just
Oh,
says
okay.
according to TradingView, it just says they got an update in China, which I'm not sure what that
Okay.
means. But yeah,
It
Tesla's
says
updating its most popular vehicle.
Model electric vehicle launched an updated version of its Model Y. Yeah, but in China.
Yeah,
Okay.
it seems like China's like the test, for everything they do.
Yeah.
Deliveries begin in
But it
March.
should give us a look at what it's gonna be in the US then maybe. Gotta
Yeah,
see that. Because the no matter why I was it was we're talking about some nice like features.
yeah,
It's gonna look a bit different actually. Like physically the lights, it has like a light bar at the back and
uh-huh. Something like this.
yeah. Then the back it has like one big like no Tesla
Oh,
Model Juniper is
yeah,
ready.
this one, right?
I think that might be something like that, but that's a render. So I don't know, maybe the website. Oh, but it will have to be from China, right?
Yeah,
Let's see if I find
that's it.
something.
TK delivery in May. Oh, that's it. Okay. Huh. Yeah, Tesla SUVs are not the biggest. They need a thing.
It's like a crossover type of car, not really.
Yeah. Uh, the launch edition. Okay.
Okay, so there's a video and in Twitter. You want me to send it to you?
Okay.
From China. Wow, this
Okay.
looks nice, please. Holy cow. I want it.
I want it. Silo.
If Trump brings this year the if Trump brings back the 100% bonus depreciation, oh, but that
Mhm.
car doesn't weigh has to weigh more than 6,000, I think, to get the. I'm gonna send you a link. Well, I could send
Okay.
it here, right?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
I could do it
Uh,
here in private. Private.
yeah, you can. Yeah. Fix your emergency exit if the car gets on fire. I know, Raven. Yeah. Too many accidents with them and people can't get out.
There it is.
Yeah. Thank you. With the sun in your face. I like the sun. It makes me feel like I'm on a tropical island. Joe. Tropical island. Ooh.
It looks nice.
Yeah. Interesting.
What do you
Nice.
think? Yeah,
It's
that's
nice.
cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. No. What to do if you get in? Yeah. Raven. Yeah. Exactly.
It says
My Tesla.
redesign headlight, tail light bar, new
Yeah.
suspension and wheels, power folding second rear seats,
Hmm.
larger 15.4-inch center display, 8-inch rear display, and a 250 kilowatt supercharging.
Hmm. Hmm. Very nice. Try to inform your passengers, TK. Okay. Yeah. Very very important, especially when that's a big issue like that. Very big issue. Do, 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 do. And NQ. Yeah. Yeah. Today just looks like just one of those days. Waterfall incoming. Yeah. One of those days, Joe. Just redness. Redness in a Model X with modifications. And YouTube while trading by the sea. Luna, yeah. MSW. MSW.
I like the X a lot, Luna, honestly. That's my favorite, actually.
Yeah, that thing is halted up, Amanda. Very nice. I wasn't really paying attention to this one. Yeah, very nice actually. Looks like it's been halting up quite often though. Quite often with the halts there. Hmm. Halties. The Tesla dealer. Yeah. Have you guys seen the lease special for Teslas, like the Model Y? Have you looked into that, Rob? Maybe that's something you could do
What?
actually. Have you seen the lease special for like a Model Y? Uh,
Police?
yeah,
I played with them a bit, but you said there's a special?
yeah. They're. Wait, let me go to the Tesla
It's
website.
most likely because this new one's coming out.
Maybe actually, yeah, maybe that's why. Probably. Like it's yeah, 2024. Yeah.
Is it two
I
ninety
was
nine a
like,
month?
wait, what?
$2.99 a
Yeah,
month.
for the yeah for the yeah. There you go. So yeah, this is for
Model
like the
Y.
mid package, I think, and then the performance package 499. Is that what you have, TK?
Hey, TK, that's not bad actually. Zero down, 497 a month.
No, I think you have to do. I think you have to do. Wait, zero down?
Performance.
Wow. Because I
I
know when
think
I looked at it, it was like $3,000 down on all the. Yeah,
you have to leave.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah. And then like the base model though, like the base model is 199. 199 with like $3,000 down.
Are you getting the are you do you get um the tax credit? Are they giving them back again for this car?
I have no idea. No idea. No idea.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, $7,500 off. There you go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the tax credit. So, you gotta obviously you
Mhm.
gotta owe, something to use it. So,
Yeah.
interesting.
Rob is gonna be driving a Tesla soon, guys.
I don't know.
Driving a Tesla soon. Dang, that's really went up 100%, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
I was also looking at that TK. Like I like the BMW, the electric one too. They just look so beautiful though, man. They're
Which one?
amazing.
BMW.
The technology, the Beamers, yeah, they just look crazy. But the technology in the Teslas is like unbeatable. You know what I mean? Like, and then they update it. You when they update it, it's like you almost have a new car again. It's crazy. That's a good thing about it.
Mm, yep. Yeah. Full sub drive have been a heaven sent. TK. Yeah, especially when those things have issues sometimes. So when they fix it, it's really nice. Very nice. Yeah, I think if you get the full self driving, it increases the price, doesn't it? Yeah, I think there's a package somewhere. Let's see here. I think there's a spot. I think it wants me to put in like my address and stuff. So do. What do we need to squeeze so we can get the Tesla, guys? We need something to squeeze. Squeeze. Yeah, Messi. That thing's been stupid all day. I think again it broke below 120, so not really something that I'm paying attention to anymore. Not really paying attention to that. Let's let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Lion. Seriously. Yeah, let me know if you let's do 5 more minutes or so. Let me know if you have any last questions. And then we can just go hang out in the Legend Voice channel. Ready, deal? Yeah, we can hop off in 5 minutes or so and then just go to Legend Voice. See if uh see if anything shows up. Uh where you going, Laura? Oh no, you could just come to the Legend Voice, Laura. We can hang out in there. But today's a pretty boring day. Pretty boring day in the markets. Not a whole lot happening. Yeah. Let me look at Tesla on a daily or something like that though. Yeah, Tesla had a historic run. My goodness, 490, and then all the way back to 388. Stupid markets. CDT. Let me take a look. I think the run for CDT is honestly done. I think it's done, right? I think it's done, especially now that it's below the 200 as well. The only other thing you could do here is try position close to 12 cents, but if it breaks below 12 cents, it's going to go right back to 10 cents. Tyson, instead of Fridays is an idiot. Yeah. You know exactly who it is, don't you? Well, whoever that is ruined the markets because making a holiday on a Thursday that ruins Friday as well. And then that also kind of ruins Wednesday because you're getting ready to holiday Thursday, so Wednesday is super slow, and then Friday obviously like. So hopefully next week we're back to cooking again. Hopefully. Yeah, GLXG was pumping earlier. I think I still have it up here somewhere. Maybe not. Yeah, no, I got rid of it. Power hour maybe. That mistake's about to be evicted from the White House. I don't know. I feel like I've heard more from Biden, like actually doing stuff over the last month than like he did the entire like 3.5 years. Like what is it? Dude should be on vacation already. And yeah, GLXX GL done really well here after dipping Yi. Double top at 195 now though.
I'm cold, Blaze. It's cold over here.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It was 35 this morning, and now it's like it's gonna be. Well, no, the high's gonna be 70. That's crazy, right? It
Yeah,
went from 30 something all the way to 70.
yeah. You live in that weather though, so then you get those swings. Just like mean reversion, reverting back to the hot mean.
Yeah,
When
that's
like you
true.
you do stuff in the market, everything you see has to go back to the market. um, Tyson says, "Do you have classes to teach these things to know when a stock will drop if it's done with the Tyson?" Yes, 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 yes. Become a member, Tyson. Come join us in Discord because today we have a class at 4:30 about technical analysis. So if you're not a member, come join us. If you're not a Legend member, come join
Yes,
us.
whoever joins today is gonna be.
Yeah.
Yeah, whoever joins today, you get that class quickly.
Yep.
Yeah, Laura. Yeah, I know. My mom is in PA. It's cold over there.
When the weather outside is snowing. Yeah. Rob is in Florida. Yeah, GLXG is looking really good there. Aye. Looking very good.
Yep, Jersey is cold too. Yeah, I'm originally from New York. Then moved to Puerto Rico for 20 years, and then back to Florida. I mean, now in Florida. Thanks, Sonny. Thanks. Looking forward to seeing you in the meeting today.
Let's go. PA.
Really?
I'm always cold, honestly, SB. Always.
We keep my family keeps asking me for a trip to Tennessee to the mountains, to like in the cabin, and
Hmm.
something always happens and we can't ever do it. So I'm dying to go to Tennessee, man.
Yeah. Tennessee. Tennessee whiskey. La 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 la. Anyways.
That's one of my favorite songs.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Good
Blaze,
song.
have you ever told a girl you're the only 10 I see? I'm out. I'm out with that amount.
Oh my goodness.
Blaze was like, what?
Oh my goodness.
Like, girl, you're the only 10 I see.
Oh my goodness. You guys hear this? Unbelievable. Back in the day,
That,
when Rob was running the streets of New
you know,
York.
Dan is like, damn. Like he's like, I'm not saying anything.
Oh, let's go. Eric? Yeah, exactly.
P.O. Box says, I drink till she's a 10.
Oh, funny. Oh, that was good.
Are you kidding me? I found that out yesterday, karate. My daughter and my son were talking, their new language, these young
Yeah,
kids' language,
yeah,
and they said something about Riz, and I'm like, what
yeah.
the hell is Riz? And they're like flirting or something like that. It's kind of like sent like that, what do you call that? What I just did, a oh Lord, that.
Yep.
And I was like, oh Lord,
Kids,
exactly, Riz.
charisma. Oh,
I
that's where
just
it comes
I just
from?
did a Riz.
Oh.
We got you. I just did a Riz.
Oh,
Oh,
interesting. Wow. See, I never knew that.
you didn't know what?
That's where like Riz came from, like charisma.
Oh, actually, yeah.
See?
Oh
Damn,
my
Rob.
God, we're getting old, Blaze.
Seriously. Oh my goodness.
Lord have
Wow.
mercy.
Yep. Crazy, crazy.
Graceland, yeah, yeah.
Yep.
My son is 21 and he loves Elvis.
We're going to Graceland, Graceland, Graceland. That's one of my favorite albums.
Really?
Yeah. Graceland.
Oh, I know Cap. I know Cap.
Yeah.
Stop a Cap, Blaze. Stop the Cap. You know
No,
what
I
that
listen
means?
to that. Yeah. Listen to that like growing up all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Forget you're still you're like you're still a boy.
uh my nephew's 25 and he feels you NTK. Yup. Yup, yup, yup.
Look at that. You're 35. You know what well, I'm not even gonna say my age, bro.
uh,
Feels weird getting older though.
mhm. Time really does fly though. Very quickly.
Yeah.
Yep. Very quick. Teddy says I'm double.
You're double wiser, Sonny. You're double wiser.
Yep. Absolutely. Yeah, that is looking amazing, guys.
Dude, I can't believe Maduro's was sworn in, bro, in Venezuela.
Wait, who? Swan in?
Maduro, he lost and he just forced himself back into the and it says that he was just sworn in. Unbelievable.
Well, yeah.
Feel sorry for those people, man.
Yep.
I worked. I put up a data center in Venezuela years ago,
Hmm.
and I was there for almost like a month and a half, and I loved it so much. Skippity, my kids say that all the time. Even the 3-year-old Skippity. I have no idea. Skippity,
Oh, dang. Walgreens is up 21% today. Sheesh.
really?
Yeah, that's what Wes is saying.
Skibbity.
GRP. GRYP is actually pushing now. Huh. Crazy. AK, are you still in the chat?
Yeah, then.
Sheesh, that $3 yesterday was perfect for DATS. Perfect. Dang. New session highs. GRYP is back above, huh? Dang. Back above. At least for a second on that candle. $7. Yup, they just wanted you to sell it line and then pump it. Or Rob's in the trades.
Oh no, you already know all my.
Yep.
I'm
Yep.
selling all the rips.
Is it popping?
Well, every pop, I'm selling the pop, like because it's been I'm following the downtrend,
Yeah.
just scalping.
Okay. Scalpies. Tacos. Breaks 79, going back in on puts. Yeah. Yup. Absolutely. YCBD is looking interesting. YCBD.
Smash burger tacos.
I see the la lu. No, 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 no.
I'll
What
be
a
right back,
wonderful
guys.
world. Huh?
I'll be
Okay,
right
okay.
back.
Okay. We might be in legend voice by the time you come back, Rob. So enough to pay off your son's college tuition for the term. Oof. D. Life changing, D. Life changing. Life changing monies. Let's go. Look at that, guys. D's been on fire lately. On fire. Made enough to pay off the son's beautiful. Beautiful. Genesis, yeah, it came back. It just had to go back to 35 cents for some reason, right? Just had to crash. Just had to crash. Absolutely. Keep cooking, yeah. Life changing monies. No, 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 no. Hmm. Perfect. Let's go, D. Let's go. Let's go. Is anybody still holding DATS in the chat? Or did D just sell it? Anybody still holding? Mm. La 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 la. Okay. With the stop loss TK? Okay. Like it. I like it. Do, 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 do. Spy just Spy actually made brand new lows and then came back. Oh, that's the pop. Mm. Lows on lows. Did you buy any more dips, Rob?
I did.
Okay.
I keep moving over what I told you I had to move over.
Yeah.
I'm until I bring it all over, and then I just have it all in one place and.
Okay. Okay.
somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good. Mm, two. There goes DATS again. Two. DATS on DATS. Two. Okay. Yeah, it just needs to your next wall there, like Lion mentioned, is $7. So it needs to clear $7. $7. Alberto, CHI, is that a stock? Have a wonderful weekend, D. Are you leaving to Yi? You're done?
Have a good
Done for the
weekend.
day?
What's been great, Blaze. I gotta say about the how people in this group is learning because most of them have their profit targets, and we're seeing that a lot more. People
Mm-hmm.
hitting their targets and they're done. You know what I
The
mean?
walk
And that's
away.
so good
Yeah,
to see.
it really is.
Yeah,
It really is.
it's so good to see.
Yeah. Curb the greed. People yeah, it's always a good reminder that like small steps like this like really add up. Small things like this. Like, they really, really add up.
Yep.
So yeah. I think as time goes on and the more we talk about it, the more people, learn. You don't need to make like, crazy amount of money every day, but slowly it can add up.
I mean,
Slowly.
the a consistent trader, and not an like a day trader like that. That's that's the name of the game. If not, you're not gonna make it. You
Yep.
have to do that. That's why
Yep.
people end up just getting out because they're trying to make they make a big chunk, then they think that they can continue to do the same thing and they can't, and then they lose again, and then they. But if they just focus on getting those nice little daily goals like you guys are getting at the
Yep.
end of the year, it pays. It pays,
Exactly.
and you don't become a statistic.
90% stat. 52 cents. Hmm.
Thing is that patience is so key in trading, man. Like you got to be so patient.
Mhm. Yep. 52 VWAPs. Come on, break. Break. There goes 53. Wow. Yeah. The usual human condition though. The human condition. Do. Rob is there again. He is there again. Do. 50-day. Then you buy AMDY or SMCY. Yeah, Jeff. Yeah, really good money at the end of the year as long as those things. As long as BTC doesn't crash, right? As long as BTC doesn't crash, you're okay. Has any
Wow,
live
this is a good
with
trade
us?
right here.
What happened? What happened? Did you short it?
Going. Oh, yeah, I've been shorting. I've been just been shorting the little pumps.
Criminal, criminal. Alberto, do you have a stop loss for XHG? Let me know, and then I'll take a closer look. Let
Trend
me
is your
know.
friend.
Yep, it absolutely is. TK, that thing looks like it's crashing again, huh? Weakness, weakness, weakness. Doo, 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 doo. Ooh, Rob just got out.
I'm not gonna push my luck today.
Rob. Uh, uh, okay. Doo, doo, doo. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that is a beauty. Absolute beauty. Okay, there we go. Absolute beauty. Yeah, Walgreens is cooking today. Yeah, it is. Yeah, WBA. Rob was loving that stock a few months ago. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe, yeah, pumping it. 56 cents for 56 for GRYP, guys. That thing just wanted us to get rid of it, and then and then it came back. Rita, are you on stream? Let me know if you're on stream. Let me know.
I saw her on the stream
Okay.
earlier.
Okay.
Nice, Luna. Good.
A few months ago, and nailed it. Beautiful. And DATS is just an absolute beauty.
I got
Absolute
out of that
beauty.
trade and kept going.
Oh, you did? Yeah.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Beautiful. Wait, what's that picture? Yeah, Jay, it really is, isn't it? Yeah, that's the play for the day. The play of the day. Mm, perfect. Perfect. Dang, Spy is just getting destroyed today. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave it here for the day, and we can just we can just hang out in Legend Voice instead. I'll get some water and I'll see you guys. And if you're interested, it will be in Legend Voice. Alrighty. So much love. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Be safe. And again, reminder that we have a class today. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you want to become a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Alrighty. click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. And then you can join us for the class today. So if you do become a member, just make sure you sign up for the legend or the gold level, and then the link, and then there will be a link for you to join us in Discord in the class in the community section on YouTube, or just email me hottradesx@gmail.com. Alrighty. Uh, Rita wanted to become a goat, so Rita is a goat now. So Rita, make
Nice,
sure you go
man.
schedule a one-on-one. Yeah, right.
Yep.
Go schedule a one-on-one, maybe in a week or two or something like that, and then yeah. Anyways, Azul, much love. Have a wonderful weekend. Jericho, green and not greedy, please. Your meta should Jericho. Your meta should
4:30.
be green though, right? Hey, what did you do
4:30,
to
Luna.
what did you do to Spy Rob? Damn. What did you do to this damn thing, Rob? My goodness. My goodness. Do, 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 do.
Triple
Look.
bottom.
Yep.
Breaking it.
Yep. Two. There you go. Have a wonderful weekend, Cheddar. Almost puts time. Yeah, that thing breaks below that bottom, I think, and closes below. You send it to the abyss. Eric, have a wonderful weekend. Thomas, see you in Discord already. Have a wonderful
Go to.
weekend as well.
Yeah. Have a good
Go ahead.
weekend, everybody.
Yeah. Much love, Luna. Yeah, Rob answered your question already, and bye, guys. Bye, everybody. Bye. Don't forget to smash a like before you leave. Bye.